When you need to save time and effort grinding away material, who's the expert you rely on? Let the specialists at G-WENT USA guide you to a better performing, cost-reducing aggressive abrasive solution. Here are several abrasive solutions proudly produced at our Buffalo, New York facility. When you need a dependable partner to provide you with grinding, finishing, and polishing solutions, come to the industry authorities at G-WENT USA. Our experienced staff of technical experts will help you solve your application frustrations. We offer regional and national field support to ensure your customers receive the documented cost savings needed to stay competitive in these demanding economic times. Discover what others have depended on since 1971. The quality, performance, and selection of G-WENT USA's products. Depend on us when the job gets rough. Call us today for technical support and free samples.